Student's Book, page 37. 4. Listen and check the box. 1. What does Michael want in his coffee?
How's your coffee, Michael? Do you want milk in it?
No, thanks. It doesn't taste very nice, really.
Why not?
There isn't enough sugar in it. Could you pass me some more, please?
Of course.
2. What did Paul put on the table?
Paul, have you put everything on the table?
I think so. There are 3 bowls.
Yes, but I can only see 1 spoon.
But I have some more here. Do we need this big plate too?
No, that's fine. Thanks, Paul.
3. What does Robert want on his pasta?
What's wrong, Robert? Why aren't you eating your pasta?
I'm sorry, Dad. I don't like it.
Well, put some more cheese on it.
I have enough of that. But it needs more salt on it.
Okay, here it is. And can you pass me the pepper, please?
4. What did Mary put on the table?
Mary, did you put the glasses on the table?
Yes, Mom. Do you want any bowls?
Not tonight. We're going to have pizza.
Okay. Well, the plates are on the table too.
That's great. Thanks.
5. How many pizzas did Emma cook?
Well, we won't be hungry today.
Do you think there are too many pizzas?
Well, I only want 1. What about you?
They're very small. I'll eat 2.
So, why did you cook 5? That's too many, Emma.
We can eat the others tomorrow, Dad.